Hey guys, we're continuing, okay? So I want you to open page 102.
Okay.
Page 102, please.
Okay.
All right. Page 102. Page 102. Okay, this is again page 102. Page 102. Okay. Question number 5 says, complete the following sentences. The ends of a magnet are called what and what? What is the name of the two ends of the magnets? Hey, what is the name of the two ends of the magnets? عبد الحليم. عبد الحليم. Are you there, عبد الحليم?
Miss, his mic isn't working.
Okay. Nancy, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss, I can.
Okay, this is page 102. Okay, 102.
Okay.
The question says, please answer it. The ends of a magnet are called, what is the name of the two ends of the magnet? The name of the two poles.
It's north and south.
Yes, north pole and south pole.
Yes.
Thank you, Nancy. Ruqayya, what metal are magnets made from? You have 4 types that magnets are made from. Sometimes they could be only 3. Ruqayya, are you there?
Yes, Miss, can you hear me?
Yes. What are the metals, or what metals are magnets made from? We make magnets from what, dear? We said that there are only 4 types of magnetic materials that we can make a magnet from. Are you saying something? Because your mic is not working.
Yes, she left.
Judy, can you tell me what are the metals? Judy? Judy, I know you're there, so please answer. If you don't know, say you don't know.
Yes, Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. What metal are magnets made from?
What?
We make magnets from which metals? There are 4 types of metals that we make magnets from. What are the magnetic materials? The magnetic metals, they are, what are their names? We answered it a lot, guys. We answered it answered this several times, several times. What's wrong?
Miss, I know.
I know you know, dear. I need other people to know. I'm not only giving you the lesson, Mira. Thank you for your for how enthusiastic you are. But seriously, what's wrong with the rest of the class?
Miss, I know can answer.
Okay, let me try Ahmed Hatem. Ahmed Hatem, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, what are the metals that we make magnets from?
What metal are magnets made from?
Yes.
Miss, can I answer it?
Answer it, Ahmed.
Yes, I know it. Yes, I know it. Iron, steel, nickel, cobalt.
Thank you so much. Iron,
Steel,
steel,
nickel.
nickel, cobalt. How many times did I mention those metals, guys?
Why not?
Then what's wrong? What is wrong? Do you even study science?
Miss, I knew the answer.
I know, dear, I know, but the people that I asked them, they did not know, although this one is one of the main things that I kept talking about while I was explaining the magnetism. Please,
Miss,
you need to study and you need to focus, because I feel like I'm making so much effort and only maybe 5 or 6 people are on track with me. The rest are just attending for the sake of, I don't know, attending. This makes me really sad.
Miss, I know the answer, but I just joined.
It's fine, Hamza. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about several people that I ask and they do not respond or respond wrong.
Okay.
The next is what when magnets repel, they do what to each other? Huh? Ali, when magnets repel, they do what to each other?
They push away from each other.
Yes, they push away from each other. Next is circle, true or false? Circle, true or false? Non-metals are magnetic. Judy, can you tell me?
Yes.
Non-metals are magnetic.
No, they're not magnetic.
So false. Okay. Do the next one too, please. All metals are magnetic.
Yes.
Oh dear God.
Miss, can I answer it?
Answer it, dear.
False, because like when we were reading, Jane said all magnets are not magnetic, and aluminum is magnet, is metal, but it's not a magnet. So it's, of course,
Very
it's
good,
false.
very good. And the metals that we make magnets from are also the only magnetic materials. The metals that we make the magnets from are also the only magnetic metals. So all metals are magnetic. This is false. Thank you so much, Hamza, for your answer. Why? Because as Hamza said, we made actually a worksheet before, which was page 90, where Jane said that only some metals are magnetic. And when there was aluminum approaching a magnet, it did not get attracted to the magnet because aluminum is non-magnetic, although it is a metal. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's go. Did you finish writing this?
Yes.
Yes.
Or there are some other metals that aren't actually attracted by a magnet. Like
Copper is not attracted to a magnet.
yes,
Aluminium is not attracted to the magnet. Lead is not attracted to the magnet.
gold is attracted to
Gold,
a
no,
magnet.
gold is not.
Gold isn't attracted to a magnet.
Yes, silver does not get attracted to a magnet. All of those, glass is not a metal. But we're talking about the metals that are non-magnetic. There are a lot of non-magnetic metals, okay? Because only 4 are magnetic: iron, cobalt, steel, and nickel. This is it. Any other metal is non-magnetic. Now, this question we already did before in the worksheet, one of the worksheets of the magnetism lesson. We said that they have those mixtures, a mix of 2 things, and we want to know which one of those can we separate them using a magnet. Which one of those can we separate them using a magnet? Lena, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, dear. Can you tell me this first mix between aluminum cans and paper? Can we use the magnet to separate one of them?
No.
No, because aluminum is non-magnetic, and of course paper is non-magnetic. So we cannot use the magnet in this mix. Okay, what about this one, Lena? Steel cans and plastic bottles. Can we use the magnet to separate one of them?
Yeah, no.
Yes or no?
No.
Why? None of them are magnetic?
No, steel or magnetic.
Okay,
But
steel is
plastic
magnetic.
bottle- So yes.
So yes, since it is magnetic, if I brought a magnet, the steel cans will be attracted to it, and it will leave the plastic bottles behind. This way, I separated them from each other, and this is what I want to do. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
yes, this one can be separated by a magnet. Continue, Lena. What about glass jars and steel lids?
Yes, because the glass jars are not magnetic and steel lids are.
Excellent. Very good. The next one, plastic bottles and paper.
No.
No,
Because
none
plastic-
of them are magnetic. What about this one? Iron nails and copper nails.
Yes, it will.
It will attract, which one of them will be attracted
Yeah,
to
it
the
will
magnet?
It will be attracted to the magnet.
Which one?
Both of them.
Both of them
Because
will be
both-
attracted to the magnet?
Yeah, but, sorry, no, it will not. Iron nail will.
Yes,
attract.
iron nail will be attracted to the magnet, while copper nails are not be attracted to the magnet because copper is not magnetic. Cobalt is magnetic. I know that you get confused between those two. Please pay attention. Copper is not magnetic. Cobalt is magnetic. So here, this one is also the magnet is going to work with to separate them from each other. The last page, page 103. Page 103. Okay. Ruqayya, are you there?
Miss, this is the last page of the book.
Yes. Ruqayya is not there,
Yes.
right? Ruqayya is not there. Is she there? Yes, Ruqayya is here.
No, Miss, she is here.
Yes, Ruqayya, can you hear me? she
left.
She got disconnected. Okay, Ahmed Hatem.
Miss,
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you answer this question? Ahmed Hatem, can you answer this one?
Yes.
Okay. Some metals are attracted to magnets, which we call magnetic materials. Which one of these is a magnetic material? Is lead a magnetic material?
Your voice is lagging.
My voice is lagging?
Your voice is lagging. No, it's not.
Okay, mute your mic, Ahmed. Mira.
Yes.
Yes, can you tell me which one of those is a magnetic material?
Okay. Nickel,
Nickel,
iron,
iron,
and steel.
steel. Is there any other thing?
No.
No, only those three from those materials are magnetic. Lead is non-magnetic, copper is non-magnetic, magnesium is non-magnetic, which means that they will not be attracted to any magnets. Okay?
Okay.
All right, we will do the next question. Next question, question B says, Peter places a sheet of glass over two magnets. The diagram shows what happens when he shakes some iron fillings over it. Okay, I have here two magnets and he sprinkled some iron filings or iron fillings over it. You will find that the iron fillings are like separating from each other. Some iron filings gets attracted to one of the magnets and the other gets attracted to the other magnets, and there is a gap between them. Does this means that the magnets are repelling or attracting each other? Huh? You have two magnets and you sprinkled some iron filings over them. Some of them got attracted to this magnet and some other got attracted to the other magnet. And there is a gap between them. Are they repelling the magnets? Are they repelling or attracting? Ali?
They are repelling.
Yes, exactly. Since the two magnets, the iron filings stuck to them, are also getting away from each other or pushing away each other, this means that the two magnets are repelling each other. Okay, so what does this tell you about the poles of the magnets? Similar poles are facing each other, so they are repelling. Okay, what about the next one? Peter moves one of the magnets. He moves them, which means that he could be flipping one of the magnets. The diagram shows his new results. Now, as you can see, the iron filings are attached or attracted to both of the magnets. So this means that the magnets are attracting each other or repelling from each other. Yes, Nancy?
They're attracting.
Yes, they are attracting each other. So this means that similar poles are facing each other or different poles are facing each other?
Different.
Very good, excellent. Did you finish writing this, guys? Should I erase?
Yes.
All right. So in this one, as you can see, the iron filing starts to interact or get attracted to both of the magnets. This means that the magnets are attracting each other because different poles are facing each other, so they are attracting. All right. Now, before we go back to the reading homeworks, I would like first with you, I'm going to re-answer the quizzes that you took during this trimester. You took 2 quizzes, quiz 1 and quiz 2. So we're going to revise them together so that if you had any mistake, you would know what is your mistake, okay? Did you finish writing? Should I erase this?
No.
Okay, make it quick, please.
Miss, I'm done.
Okay, let's give other people
Me
some
too.
time.
Done.
Done.
I'm done.
All right.
Done.
Okay.
Done.
Still, I didn't finish.
Okay, Nancy, make it quick, please.
Miss, are we going to revise the quizzes and do the reading homework today?
If we had time, we will do the reading homework, Adham, today. If we don't, then we will do the reading homework tomorrow.
Miss,
Okay?
it is now
we don't
2
have tomorrow.
PM.
It's 2, yes. You have 15, we have 15 minutes left, right?
We have 10 minutes left.
It's 2:10, guys? Oh, yeah. All right. Fine. Then I think we will do
tomorrow
the
we don't
quizzes.
have
No, Miss, it's 2 o'clock.
All right. So it ends 2:10, so we have 10 minutes left. Yes, Ruqayya. Ruqayya,
Okay.
what's the problem, Ruqayya?
We don't have science tomorrow.
After
we
tomorrow.
have Thursday.
After you have 2 more sessions. One will be on Wednesday and the other will be on Thursday.
When?
So,
When is going to be on Wednesday?
oh, let
we
me
until
check.
The break.
Let
We
me
have
check.
until
Yes,
the
yes.
break.
You have on Thursday. All right. So this means that your last session will be on Thursday. We will do the reading homework then. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Let us.
Miss, I can't hear your voice at all. I can't hear anyone.
Can the rest of you hear me, guys?
Yes,
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe
I
it's
think
his
maybe
internet.
yes, something with his internet. So we need now. I'm going to open your previous quizzes, guys. Your previous quizzes. Yes. By the way, I want to tell you something. Please check your marks on Moodle. Yesterday, I updated the marks and I checked your homeworks, the one that you submitted last week and the week before, and I updated the Moodle. So I want you to check your marks on Moodle, your homework marks on Moodle, and if you have anything that you got 0 in your homeworks, this means that I did not receive your homework. Okay? So please,
Okay.
so please check it. This is very, very necessary. Check your marks on Moodle to see if you have any missing homeworks so that you can submit it and I can give you the mark. I will be updating the Moodle every day and I will check the submissions every day till the end of the week to make sure
Miss,
that everyone took their marks. Yes.
Miss,
Yes.
are you going to be with us in year 5?
I don't
In
know.
year 6.
I don't know why.
We want you with us.
Oh
Yeah.
dear, thank you so
Yes.
much. Oh, I love you too all. I really do, and I will miss you so much, guys. So I hope maybe yes, maybe no, we still didn't make the plan yet. So maybe this will happen. All right, guys, let's see. This is the first quiz that you took during trimester 3, okay? You took 2 quizzes in trimester 3. This is the first quiz. So in the first quiz, you had only 10 questions, and also in the second quiz. So let's go through them quickly. The first question was, when forces are balanced, the object will move or stay still? Anyone? when the forces are balanced, the objects will move or stay still?
Stay still.
Stay still, exactly. Do you remember when I said, when I showed you the toy, that was in the PowerPoint, the toy that both the friends are pushing them with the same force. This is what we call a balanced force. So the toy will not move, and this is why it will stay still. The next question is the invisible force pulling objects to the ground is gravity. Gravity, very good, excellent. Number 3, weight is measured with bathroom scale.
Force meter.
Force meter. What is the other name of the force meter, guys?
Springs balance.
Spring balance. Excellent, excellent, very good. Mass is a force, true or false? Is it affected by any force? Or is it the amount of matter inside any object?
It's the amount of matter inside any object.
Does that make it a force?
No.
No. Mass
No.
is not a force. Mass is not a force. So this is false. Mass is a force. This is false. And do you remember what is the unit of measure of mass?
Yes, kilogram and gram.
Kilograms and grams.
What about weight?
Newton.
Newtons.
Because weight
Newton.
is a what?
What?
Wait.
Weight. Is weight a force or isn't it a force?
No, it is a force.
It's a
Yes,
force.
weight is a force because it gets affected by gravity. And this is why it is a force and we measure it using Newton. All right. Next is which boat will move faster in the water? The wide boat?
Streamlined.
Streamlined.
boat.
Yes, because this way there will be less water resistance affecting it. Less water resistance affecting it because the streamlined and narrow boat will not face much of water resistance. The next question is upthrust force.
True.
True.
Upthrust force
True.
is the force that makes the object float on water. True, very good, because
True.
it, yes,
True.
very good, true, because it pushes objects up, and this is what makes it float on water. All right. Number 7, what is the weight of a cat on Mars, knowing that the cat's mass is 10 kilograms and the gravity on Mars is, let me see, is 3.7. You are, of course, if you got this type of question, it will be what?
We're going to use a calculator.
Yes, you can use
Yes.
a calculator during the exam. All right, you're allowed to use during the science exam, huh? I don't know about the other subjects. I don't know about the other
No,
subjects.
we can.
Okay, in science, you can use a calculator. If you got this type of questions in your exam, you're allowed to use a calculator. All right. So what is the
Okay.
weight of the cat? It will be what?
37 newtons.
Yes, 37 newtons.
37.
How did I do this? We said that we have this law which says weight equals gravity
Mass.
times
Times.
mass.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the weight? The weight, I have the gravity of on Mars, which is 3.7, and I have
Yes.
the mass, which is how much?
10.
10
kilograms.
kilograms.
10 kilograms.
So this means that the weight of the cat on Mars will be 37
37 newtons.
newtons. Very good.
Newton.
All right, very good. Excellent. All right, let's go to the next question. Question 8, it says, a small parachute will fall slower than a large parachute. Before answering, you need to put in your mind the large parachute and the small parachute. Which one of them will have more air resistance?
The
The large parachute.
The large parachute.
the large.
Yes, The large parachute has more surface which will be hit by the air, and this is why it will have more air resistance. So this means
I
that
mean the small will like
fall
come
faster.
down quickly.
Yes, fall
Yeah,
faster.
fall fast.
So this means this is true or false? A small parachute will fall slower?
No.
False. False.
False.
Yes, the large parachute is the one that will fall slower because it will have more air resistance. Number 9, I will finish 9 and 10 and I will end the session, okay? 9, the force can change the shape of an object. True or false?
True.
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 Force
True.
can change the shape of an object. It can change the speed of an object. It can change the direction of the object. It can change the object from moving to stopping or from stopping to moving. Okay. Number 10, friction force works in the same direction of the motion. True or false?
False.
False.
False. Friction force always work in the opposite direction of the motion. Yes, exactly.
Yes.
All right, guys. So on Thursday, we will be doing the reading homeworks and the second quiz. All right. I will be preparing a PowerPoint for you. It will be ready on Classera. You can revise everything from it. All right.
Okay.
I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.